I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. We're going to start with a slip knot at the end to begin it all. So you just do a little loop, bring your yarn through, tighten it. There you go. Put your needle in or your hook in, and then tighten it up a little bit. So we're going to start, I'm just going to do a sample with 10 stitches on it. So we're going to start by doing a chain stitch. So you hold your working yarn in with another finger, so it's has a little bit of tautness to it, and loop your yarn over your crochet hook and bring it through the loop. We'll do one more. There we go. Now we've got 10. Now that first loop that we did, that counts as one of your stitches. So here's all of our stitches lined up here. Now to be able to do the half double crochet, you always start with 2 chain stitches. So we're going to add 2 more chain stitches. And what that does is that's the height of the stitch with whatever yarn or hook that you're using. Then we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, and we're going to skip those 2 stitches, and we're going to skip this 3rd stitch too, because that one counts as the first stitch in your row. So we're going to go back into this next one from front to back. We're going to wrap the yarn around our hook. We're going to bring it back through. So now we have 3 stitches on our hook. We're going to wrap the yarn again, and we're going to bring it through all 3 stitches. And there we go. So let's do that again. We've got 1 stitch on our hook. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook. We're going to go into the next stitch from front to back. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, bring it through. We now have 3 stitches. We're going to wrap the yarn again and bring it through all 3. So we'll just continue to do that for our entire row. Here's our finished first row. So now in order to do the second row, we're going to pick up our work, we're going to turn it around, and then we're going to start with 2 chain stitches again. 1, 2, we're going to do a yarn over, and we're not going to go into this very first stitch from before, because remember those chain stitches make that first stitch. And we're going to go right in here under those 2 stitches, yarn over, bring it back through, yarn over, and bring it back all 3 stitches. So it's yarn over, under these 2 stitches, yarn over, and bring it back through. And we'll continue to do that until we're done. And now here's 2 rows done of our half double crochet.